Hello guys, today we will make a 2D plus 3D car in Blender using Greek pencil, something like this. And it will be a speed up tutorial after a certain time. Now let's just start. But first, do subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. And now click on the new and 2D animation. And first we will do some changes here. For example, strength to 1 and origin to 3D cursor. Make visible 3D cursor from the overlays panel, and I have explained all the basic of the Greek pencil in my previous lecture. If you don't know the basic, you should watch that tutorial first. And now go to the object data properties and make some changes here in the layers tab. I will make some layers for the car, something like windows and body, and for lights. Now select the box tool and start drawing. Make a rectangle like this. Press enter and go to the side menu by pressing T on your numpad. Select all the stroke in the edit menu and rotate it a little bit. And now you have to place the cursor at that position from where you want to draw. So we want to draw from its corner. So first of all, select the point of the corner and then press Shift S and cursor to selection. Now select the polyline tool and make some points like this. For straight line you have to hold Shift, and just we will make straight lines here by pressing Shift. Make a close loop here and press enter, and now make that point straight by using proportional editing and move it on the z-axis down a little bit, and now make a line at the center. And now the remaining video will be speed up, and we will just make duplicates of the lines and place it on the position, on the right position. So select all of these by using circle select and press Shift D to duplicate and move it on the x-axis. Place it here. Now select the front side of it by using circle select. Now here you have to rotate your selection a little bit and adjust that point. You can see that we have made the upper portion of the car, the windows, and now we will make the lower portion. Select the bow select tool and make the body of the car. Press enter when you have done and place it on the right position. The most important thing here is the position of the cursor, and you can place it anywhere by selecting the points and then press Shift S and select cursor to selection. Similarly the other end also, to make it a closed loop. And now press Shift D and place it on the back. Now we will also do the same thing. Make that point a little bit down here also on both sides. And now we will make tires. And Shift D to duplicate and move on the y-axis and select both of it and Shift D and move it on the x-axis. And now we will move all the strokes to its right layer by selecting the points and press M to move on that layer. And now you have to draw the lights. So again also select the circle here and make a light. And now our car is ready. We have to fill the color in it. So go to the materials tab and make some material of different colors. You can choose any color you want. Now you have to place the cursor at the right position where you want to. Select the fill bucket tool, and one thing you will note here, it will not working for the front window, so we will adopt a different technique for this, which is using the canvas option and rotating the origin point. All of the remaining video will be the same. We will just selecting the points and rotating the canvas and filling the colors. We will choose a red color for the body of the car. Just selecting 2 points and press Shift S and cursor to selection and rotate the canvas. Fill the color at the back and at the top. Now just fill the color using the paint bucket tool. Make it a black color and just position the cursor and fill the color. And now fill the color of the lights. And our car is ready now.